Synopsis steps for beginners. Initially, what exactly is a synopsis? A synopsis provides a general overview of the whole thesis. It consists of the most important aspects of a thesis and is mostly included at the beginning of the thesis. For writing a synopsis, you initially need to select a topic. In order to select the topic, follow these simple steps. Step number 1 is to select the main research field. What is it you want to do? For instance, do you want to compare two texts and analyze them? Do you want to translate yourself? Do you want to work in a specific area like Quran translation, medical translation, ABT, etc.? After selecting the main area, you can select the language pair you want to work with. Arabic, however, is compulsory. The second language of the pair is a choice. Step number 3 is to choose the surah of the Quran, the book, or the movie, or the episode of the drama, etc. you want to work with as per the area of research selected in step number 1. Step number 4 is to finally select the theory or the strategy you want to apply. After deciding all this, refine the title of your work and note it down. After refining your title, start preparing for the initial draft by collecting and arranging the data you need. Make sure to note down all resources properly and clearly for future references. Now start writing the introduction of the synopsis. It can be about 2.5 pages long approximately. In this part, introduce the key elements of the topic, such as the main area, the book or drama, etc., the strategy. Afterwards, explain the importance of the topic. Don't forget to provide references of the text you have quoted. After completing the introduction, start working on the 8 main aspects of the synopsis in a chronological order. Step number 1 is to provide the reasons for selecting the topic. You can write approximately 4 to 5 reasons in a clear and concise manner. Step number 2 is to highlight the limitations. Restrict the study to a particular language or a chapter of a book, etc. Step number 3 is to write the literature review. Find out the related studies conducted previously and list them chronologically. You can also explain their main ideas briefly. Step number 4 is to state 2 to 3 well-constructed research questions. You will have to provide an answer to these questions in the conclusion and findings portion of the thesis. So construct them carefully and make sure they are selected according to the topic. Step number 5 is the methodology. What is the overreaching strategy and the rationale of the research? What steps would you follow during this study? Initially, highlight what type of study this is, for instance, qualitative or quantitative, etc. Then outline the steps you would be following during this study. Step number 6 provides an outline of the whole study. Divide the thesis into headings and subheadings and make a table of contents in this step. Step number 7 is to state all references alphabetically as per the designated format. Step number 8 is to provide one main example along with a detailed analysis and proper references to support the topic. Finally, revise your synopsis from beginning to end and correct any spelling or grammar mistakes, etc. Afterwards, submit it to the department for further processing. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for further videos.